Welcome to Kmoon Network Membership Program, Kmoon Card Holders. The program connects retailers, service providers, distributors, suppliers, and other eligible enterprises, Kmoon vendor members, with individuals who hold a valid Kmoon membership, Kmoon members. Members receive approved exclusive promotions, value-added services, special offers, and direct discounts when they shop at an approved vendor location, business. Meet some of Kmoon members. They enjoy members-only incentives on auto needs, business needs, consumer needs, home needs, travel needs, special offers, requests for proposal, Kmoon fun recipes, and more. Fun for life, up to 75% off thousands of products and services. Save big. Get your Kmoon card today. Need extra help? Ask Kmoon. Text or call 855-566-6685 or 855-KMOON85. Email kmoon@kmoon.biz. www.kmooncard.com.